Do it. Do it. No fun. Yeah.
I'm gonna putting it in a hole, bro. Watch me fuck up.
Yeah. You got it, bro. This is practice. Every time you get in the urinal at Buc-ee's.
Hell yeah. At Buc-ee's I get nervous, but I piss all over the place.
You miss everything but the urinal.
I pee on the ceilings.
Hey, they keep Buc-ee's clean, bro, so I would never notice. I caught it. Camera almost fell. Okay. Alright. Ready for the cringy intro? Ready for intro? You ready? I gotta do what I do. What's going on, folks? Welcome to Texas Driven Culture. My name is Manny, and we're putting some one-up lighting Underglow on this car. I did an unboxing, so if y'all didn't see that video, go check it out.
All the trash in the same bag. Keep it neat.
Keep you neat. You get this. You get yourself a solder, and you get your. I'm holding everything in one hand. You're gonna solder the positive one to this one, and then this will go to your battery terminal, just in case anything happens. Your LEDs don't blow, and the fuse will just take all damage. Okay, we did the inline fuse. Jesus, my wide cameras are disgusting. Did the inline fuse. Ta-da! And there's the hideous electrical tape because the shrink wrap didn't go over my whatever. There's the inline fuse, and we're about to test it just to make sure it works. Alright guys, so if you already purchased your kit, before you install it or take it out of the box, bring it up to your car and connect it to the positive and negative just to make sure it turns on. It will flash, or it might not do anything, but you have to get the app to sync up. From what I've seen, though, it looks like they're all synced. It doesn't say which one's which. You just follow the arrow.
I think this can be fixed. Like I said,
You know that?
it could definitely.
It might, you know what? I need to get a fuse because it might not work.
All it is just
I gotta put a fuse because it's not making contact. No, you can plug it in. Let me go get a fuse.
6.5 hours later.
I plugged them in already. They're plugged in?
Yeah.
So, and then...
Yeah, it worked.
Okay, it's turning off because you gotta hook up to it. So hook up to it. So see how it flashed and then turned off? It's because it probably like loaded and said, like, yo, that nigga has us off. Good.
There you go.
There you go. It works. Alright, turn it off. Oh yeah, man. Alright, we're done.
Control it.
Close the hood. Alright, so unplug this real because we're gonna do the routing first and then we'll worry about it. So we found out we can't run it through the inside. We did, but there's not enough wire for the front one to reach and then come back up to connect. So, which is actually easier because that means we don't have to take any of those plastic panels off. It's just straight run it from the bottom over the wheel, like zip tie it to some stuff, and then come up this way, and then the main wire, you'll run it up and put it up there. Marco's better than Pizza Hut. All right, so we ended up routing it all through the bottom. We were gonna do it through the splash guards and under all the trim, but there's not enough wire to reach. So it's actually easier because you just run it all through the bottom, feed it to the top, and that's what we're doing right now. We just took a break because it is cold, and we've been at it for a little bit, trying to do it the right way. We don't want wires to hang and show. So I'll update you guys once I get everything zip tied, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the double-sided tape on, and then we'll see how it looks.
If we weren't here, you'd be super interested.
We gotta scrub the dirt from the bottom. This dude's over here detailing them.
Dude, you gotta make sure when you wash your car, every single part of your car is clean.
Yeah.
Even the bottom.
Even the bottom. If not, you're not worthy.
What? You know, and everything.
So,
Okay, man, USA.
can't say the N-word. It's going on my YouTube.
The battery should be charged. I charged it and only used it like
The cop's
once or
kicking
twice.
us out from the garage.
Huh?
The cop.
You cop.
Getting cussed. Oh my
Wait, one
god.
person. Bleep you cop.
Bleep you cop. He won't let us work on our cars. Alright. We're done now. I just gotta finish these 3 little clips that go under here. Everything has the adhesive tape. It's kind of sketchy the way it was mounted here. Kind of goes across this one. A little more sketchier. Those are the clips. Check this one out. It's cold. And then we're doing the tucking the wires in. Currently, it's the inline fuse. We got some lube on there. We're about to fire up the app, and we're gonna show you how to use the app. The install is simple. I mean, anyone can do that. It's just double-sided tape, zip ties, lots of zip ties, and the little clips. The inline fuse is not necessary, but we did it just because we didn't want to blow the LEDs. The inline fuse, the loom. We didn't tape it. Bro, this is clean. There's 2 right there. It's tucked really nice. And then just oh, you can leave one of the rags now instead of the paper towel.
Huh?
One of the rags in here now instead of the paper towel.
Yeah.
Okay, you're fine.
I forgot where I put the rags.
They're in the back. I gotta drop the car. Let me drop the car actually. We're gonna back it up. We still got one more side to put some clips, just on the right. But ooh, low guy, low boy. Turn them on. Turn on them LEDs, cuz. Here, let me move out of the way too. Ooh, fucking cold, man. No. There, now it's on. Let me turn. It's like bluish. It's not bad. Looks like mint. It matches the Infinity one.
Yeah.
Alright, let me check the back, because the back is the one that's... Put it on. Oh, dude, it looks good in the rear. You can tell, like, where it's going, directions. Yeah, on camera, it looks white, bro, but in person, it looks like green, bluish. So, okay, so when you're installing it, when you're linking it up, you just click on which one?
This one. And then it'll register here.
Click on it.
And it should pop up one device. You click on it. It's going to say that it's pairing. And then you turn it on and off through here.
Okay, now go back to the thing again. And if it doesn't, you just click the refresh.
And if nothing pops up right here, you click the refresh button on the top left.
Okay.
And it should register it.
How many modes? Like a lot?
Well, there's over 200.
There's over 200 modes, guys. That is sick.